Is it the right time to invest in GST Road? GST Road used to be a bustling locality with IT corridors and a lot of schools around, attracting a lot of family and young crowd. It's gaining its charm back with more and more offices getting constructed on GST Road. How good of an opportunity is to buy a property on GST Road? It is situated right on top of the GST Road at a very prime location within the huge campus of Shriram Gateway. This project covers totally 5 towers of stilt plus 13 stories of 2 and 3 BHK apartments spread across 22 acres with a proposed mall and a clubhouse. The 2 BHK flats comes with an intercom filtered teak door and a spacious foyer space that connects to the living room. It comes with 2 variants, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK. The 2.5 BHK flats come with the same layout as 2 BHK but with an additional study room. The foyer provides you with an additional privacy and also acts as a creative space for your artsy side. The living rooms are beautifully designed with a separate area for dining overlooking the kitchen and an entertainment area next to the foyer space. The living room looks very well ventilated with 60% open space and cross ventilation. The living room has a washroom adjoining the dining area which may not be preferred by few. The master bedroom looks spacious enough with a king-size bed and a coffee table. 2 people can walk comfortably even after placing an extra chair in the room. Like most of the builders offer today, there is no balcony in the master bedroom. It has an adjoining washroom inside, which is the biggest of all the washrooms in this apartment. This bedroom can either be used as a kids' room or a guest room. This can easily fit a queen-size bed and a coffee table, and still you can walk around the room comfortably. The bedroom has a separate allocated space for the kids' table or a computer table. This room can accommodate a single cot and a coffee table. This can be used as a drawing room or a dedicated puja room. The 3 BHK is beautifully designed with a separate area for entertainment and dining, which is separated with a partition wall. The foyer is bigger as compared to the 2 BHK. The separation within the living room ensures full privacy. You can also use the foyer space as a visitor space. The kitchen is placed aptly right opposite to the dining area, and the balcony is right behind the dining area. There is a guest washroom adjoining the dining area which may not be preferred by all. The master bedroom in 3 BHK stands out from the 2 BHK with an exclusive balcony facing the GST Road. The kitchen, washroom and the utility are of same for 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK with all the fixtures and points. The kitchen looks a parallel layout. The kitchen looks spacious even after placing the refrigerator, and all the points are strategically placed. The kitchen has a designated utility area which is so spacious that you can partly convert it into a garden. The utility space also has a sink. The toilet inside the master bedroom is the biggest and has 7 feet wall tiles for easy cleaning. The toilet in the living room is smaller than the toilet in the master bedroom, but it is of same size as the bedroom 1. But the toilets do not come with shower partitions, which is provided in the most luxurious apartments nowadays. In case of 2 BHK apartments, there are 2 washrooms, one in the living room and one in the master bedroom. The balcony comes with MS railing, which looks durable and spacious. It also comes with non-skid tiles for safety purposes. 1,500-acre Mandalore National Reserve is right behind the project. If you buy an apartment facing that side, you can get to enjoy green belt from your own balcony. Shriram Park 63 is a big township with combination of residential, commercial and IT parks. It is situated in a bustling community with a bus terminal and a IT park nearby. One can only wish that it was quieter. But Shriram has designed the apartments away from the traffic congestion and loud noises. Perungalattur also houses a dump yard nearby, but due to constant maintenance by the corporation, there are no stench or odor in this area. The community also houses a 0.5 million square feet mall with multiplex screen and shopping centers. There will also be a separate entry and exit to the mall, which will also be accessible to the common public. The community hall, which is situated within the community, houses multiple amenities like gym, snooker table, mini theatre, multipurpose hall, convenience stores and many more. The community also houses a step seating area, badminton court, volleyball court and many more. The community in actuality spans from Perungalattur to Vandalur, including the Shriram IT Gateway. to which a separate gate is provided within the community. The entire project has been risen to a few feet away from the ground level, which gives an advantage during the times of flood. There are no high tension wires within the apartments. The apartment complex houses has WTP and STP for clean drinking and domestic water. Let's look at the location of this community. The project is located on the GST road right next to the Shriram IT Park, which encloses many offices like Sutherland, Accenture and many more. It is 100 meters away from Perungalattur railway station and 150 meters away from Perungalattur bus stop, which acts as prime bus terminal for all the buses travelling towards south of Tamil Nadu. The traffic congestion is maximum at peak hours and take hours to clear out. This is a major drawback. There are plenty of cabs and autos available in this area. Though this area was affected by 2015 flood, the builders have ensured that the drainage system within the apartment complex reroute the flood water. Let's look at the connectivity of this project. It is very easy for outstation travel as the place is situated right next to the Perungalattur bus terminal and 3 kilometers away from Tambaram Sanatorium bus terminal. Tambaram railway junction is 2 kilometers away from the apartment, which makes your outstation travel easy. Not to miss, Vandalur Mafusal bus terminal is very close to the project. Nevertheless, the Coimbatore bus terminal is 25 kilometers away and Chennai MGR train terminal is 32 kilometers away. But the availability of Perungalattur bus terminal and Tambaram railway station balances this. This area is filled with leading schools and colleges like Sri Ramana Vidyalaya Matriculation, St. John's Matriculation, VIT University and many more. This community is surrounded by leading hospitals like Hindu Mission Hospital, Chettinadu Global Hospital and many more. Numerous IT hubs are around this area like Shriram's very own Shriram IT Gateway, Mahindra City and many more. Let's take a look at the pricing of this project. Both 2 and 3 BHKs are priced at 5,400 rupees per square feet, 595 square feet to 2147 square feet. The percentage of UDS is 24%. The pricing is little high compared to the projects nearby, as it is one among few luxury apartments bang on the GST main road. The location of the project promises high rental yield because of the IT companies around and also has high appreciation potential. Brand: Shriram Properties. Part of Shriram Group, which is a prominent business group with 4 decades of operating history in India and a well-recognized brand. One among the 5 largest residential real estate companies in South India. Commenced operations in Bangalore in the year 2000. Have projects in Chennai, Coimbatore, Bengaluru, Vizag and Kolkata. Let's look at the pros and cons of this project. Let's look at the cons of this project. The area where Park 63 is situated gets highly congested during peak hours. Might get stuck in traffic if you leave your apartment at a peak hour. Since it's an on-road property, traffic noise could be a disturbance. Though the community has a convenience store inside, there are very little supermarkets around this vicinity. It might be an issue during pandemic to avail essentials if the convenience store gets closed. There are new upcoming projects situated on Netkundram Road, which is just 2 kilometers away from this project, where the price is lesser than Park 63. But Park 63 is a better option if you're looking for a tall structure. Let's look at the pros of this project. This place offers good amenities such as indoor and outdoor gym, kids play area and many more. Park 63 is situated on GST Road, which has good connectivity to airport and railway stations. It is also close to multiple office complexes such as Shriram Gateway and Tambaram CES. They can modify the 2 BHK to a 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK to a 3.5 BHK, though the pricing of modification is not clear. Finally, let's look at the conclusion. This project is located on the GST Road and very close to IT companies. Therefore, it is more suitable for people who are looking for long-term investment, potential appreciation and rental returns. If you are considering it for self-use, please rethink twice as this is on the main road. And if you are a lover of city vibe, this is the best option for you. For more queries, WhatsApp to us. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Home Reviews.